Hello F-Block, so this is a video of the lesson I'm going to teach you live. I've made this video in case any of you can't attend the lesson for time zone reasons, and also so you can look back and use this as a resource when you're revising, etc. So today we're learning about functions. So a function is a mapping which takes an input and gives an output. So the way I think about functions is that a function is like a black box, and I put something into my box and it does things inside the black box and then it gives me an output. We write functions as f brackets x, f takes x arrow to the output. So if I have a function f of x equals x plus 2, what that means is the function takes in x as an input and then outputs x plus 2. That's written in both the types of notation. So if we want to use a function, we can replace x with a number. So if I have f of x equals x plus 2 and I want to find f of 1, I need to replace the x by 1 in both sides of my function. So I end up with f of 1 equals 1 plus 2, which is 3. I can use the same function and find f of 3. So I replace x by 3, I end up with 3 plus 2 is equal to 5. Same with example 3, so if I want f of 2, I replace x with 2 and I end up with 3 times 2 minus 1, which equals 5. Similarly with example 4, I replace my x with 5, so I end up with 4 times 5, which is 20. Now we can do the same thing with letters rather than numbers. So anywhere I have an x, I replace with my new algebraic expression inside the bracket. So let's look at example 1. So if I have f of x is equal to x plus 2, I need to find the expression for f of y. So all I need to do is replace everywhere I have x with y. So I end up with f of y equals y plus 2. For example 2, if I have f of x equals 2x minus 1, and I need to write the expression for f of 2a, everywhere I have x, I replace with 2a. So I end up with 2 times 2a minus 1, which is 4a minus 1. Example 3 is a little trickier. So I have f of x equals x squared minus 1. I need to write the expression for f of x plus 1. So everywhere I have x, I need to replace with x plus 1. And I need to make sure I do that for the whole of x. So if I'm replacing x in this function with x plus 1, I'm going to have x plus 1 all in brackets squared, as I need to replace x with the whole algebraic expression. So I expand that out and simplify. So you've got classroom work to be getting on with on OneNote. I hope this video has been helpful and I hope you find it a useful resource. Any feedback you have, just send me an email or let me know on Teams.